Hi, today's video is regarding Brother MFC-J497DW All-in-one Printer. I'm going to show you how to do quick unboxing and setup of this printer. Switch on your printer and go on the display panel. On the display panel we have to enter the date here. Next thing is to install the SetUp ink cartridges. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, which is just in the front, so I'll show you how to do that. So these are the set of SetUp ink cartridges which we get along with the printer. So take it out of the box. Remove ink cartridges from this packaging. Now to install the SetUp ink cartridges, we have to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So there is a handle here, so if you just push it outside, you will see we can open it. Remove this, push it outside, and it will come, as you can see here. Now the next thing is to install the ink cartridges. So in the ink cartridge you have to match the color and also the alphabet. Make sure it stays upside and this nozzle going to inside here. So just slide it in, and once you push it, it will lock itself there. Slide the Y and the black. It's very easy to install. Close it. Now go to the display panel. On the display panel we can see it says the initial setup is going on. Next step is to load the paper. So paper tray is at the bottom, so you just have to push it out and lift this section. Move this to adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here, and you can tight it with this. Now close it and go to the display panel. Click on the start button, so that is the green color. Now the next thing is to click on the start button, so which is like this button it says on the screen. So press on that. Here we can see it has printed the print quality check sheet. So we simply have to check that all the colors are visible and there are no gaps. Confirm that the result is good. For that, press this button as according to the screen for yes. Once you click OK, you will see the main screen, and on the main screen we can see the date, time, also the level of ink. Also it shows if it is connected to the wireless or not. That is the symbol here. Now the next thing I'm going to show you a quick copy test. To do a copy, we simply have to open the top scanner lid, as you can see here. Place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner, on the upper side, as you can see here. Close it. To do the copy, click on the copy button which is here, and once you select paper type and size, you can change the details from here, and then you can just click on the start button. So here we can see it has done the copy. How to do the wireless setup so that we can connect it with the Wi-Fi network for printing and scanning. On the display panel we have to click on the setting icon which is here, and here we see general setup. Click OK. Here we have to scroll down and look for the network and click OK. Here we see WLAN, which is wireless network. Click OK and select Setup Wizard. Click OK again and press this button to enable. It will search for the available SSID, wireless router or wireless network of your home or office. Scroll down and select the Wi-Fi network you want. From here you can just use the keypad and enter the password. To enter the password we have to use this screen, and for that we can now select and enter the alphabets in the capital or small. And to enter the numbers we have to simply click for that here and then select the numbers. Once we enter the password we have to select OK button on the screen and just wait for the connection to set up. Once it says the connection is successful, that means your printer is connected online and it is available on your Wi-Fi network. Now we can go back on the main screen and you will see there is a blue light here. That means it is connected to the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Now I'll show you how to use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. For that we simply have to add this printer in our laptop or computer. So open the setting. In the setting we have to go and click on the devices, and here we get the option, it says printers and scanners, so just click on that. So click on the printers and scanners option and here you will see the list of printers available and scanners. So look for your printer, that is Brother MFC-J497DW. Click on that and here we can see it has manage button, so click on manage. Now from here I'm going to show you printing, so click on print a test page and wait for the printer to work. Here we can see the test page here and the page should look like this. Windows printer test page, and it displays all the details here. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning. Open the top scanner lid and place a page here for scanning. Now place the page facing downwards on the upper left hand side corner and go on your computer screen. We have to find the scanner here, so just stay on this screen and scroll down and look here, scanner for this printer. Click on that. Click on open scanner. So when we click that, you will see it says source auto configured file type, so you can select it as a JPEG and click on the scan icon. So once it finishes the scan, you will get an option for the view, so click on that. The scan has been done and you can see the page is scanned here. From here you can save it, or if you want you can share it. So this way we can do the wireless printing and scanning using the Wi-Fi network of the home or office network, and we can do copy with this printer. Overall I can say it's very easy to set up this printer. It takes only few minutes and you can connect it with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. And moreover, this printer you can shrink the size of the page when you are printing. You have option to reduce like according to the percentage, or you can increase the size of the print. Also we have a automatic document feeder, which we can use for the scanning of multiple pages, or it can load up to 100 pages at the paper tray which is at the bottom. And you can use this printer with the other devices as well, for example your mobile phone or MacBook, laptop, and even if you want you can connect it with the USB cable. Overall it's a good printer for home or office use. Thanks for watching.